AcreValue's map layers give you instant access to valuable data overlays, helping you analyze land with context at a glance. Section 1. Where to find them. To access layers, click Map Layers from any view, whether you're on the parcel map, sold land database, or for sale listings. From here, you can explore categories like premium data, including remediation sites, energy tax credit areas, and California water districts, and plus data like flood zones, crop cover, and oil and gas infrastructure. Section 2. Toggling layers. Simply toggle on any layer to see it applied instantly on your map. You can enable multiple layers at once to get a comprehensive view of the landscape. Section 3. Using layers across maps. These layers work across the platform, whether you're analyzing a sold land transaction in California with water district overlays or reviewing for sale listings with power generation facilities nearby. Use map layers to quickly understand the bigger picture, uncover potential risks, and spot unique opportunities right on your map.